How to invite friends to a Discord server. Want to grow your server and invite your friends to hang out? Today I will show you the quick and easy way to invite friends to your Discord server so you can chat, play and share together. Let's get started. First things first, open Discord on your desktop or browser and select a server where you want to invite friends. Look on the left side under your server name. You will see a small invite button or an icon that looks like a person with a plus sign. Click it. A pop-up will appear with a special invite link. This link lets your friends join your server. You can click copy link to copy it to your clipboard. Want to control who joins? Click edit invite link to set how long the link lasts, like 1 day, 7 days or never expires. Limit how many times it can be used. Allow temporary membership. Adjust those as you like, then click generate new link and copy it. Paste that link in a message, email or anywhere you want to invite your friends. When they click it, boom, they join your server instantly. And that's it. Now you know how to invite friends to your Discord server and grow your community. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like this video, subscribe and tap the bell icon so you never miss an update. See you in the next one.